Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to learn the entire scratch into one shot. Like if you are beginner, you can watch this video. If you are in the intermediate level, then also you can watch it. Okay. So we are going to see the entire thing about Scratch. Okay. So the very first thing why we are using the Scratch, because with the help of Scratch, you can create any animation, you can create the games. Okay. You can create a very big game also. You can create any kind of game, animation, stories, everything you can create with the help of Scratch. Okay. So it's very simple how you can use it. In Google, you have to just search for Scratch. I will give you the link in the description box. So directly you can click on the link also, or you can follow this step also. It's your choice. The very first thing we need to open this, which is scratch.mit.edu. This is the official website. After that, you have to first join the Scratch. Why? Because if you are a first time user, you need to first sign in over here because we want to save all the projects. So in order to save all the projects, you have to first join in. So once you will join the Scratch, it will say you have to create a username for you. And this username you need to put unique. For example, anything. My name is Shraddha, so I will type Shraddha789. Okay. And you have to create one password as well for you. So this one you need to keep remember every time. So I'm just putting one password as well. So after this, you have to just press on the next button. Just a moment. So see, you need to put one username. This one you have to, if you will write the same username, you will not get it. You need to put your own username and password. Just press on next button. It will ask you what country do you live in. So I'm from India. I will just select India. But if you are from any other country, if you are watching this video, you need to just select your country. Then when were you born? So it's like your birth date. Okay. Then we have to just press on next button. What's your gender? So whether you are male or female, so I'm female, just select next. Over here, you have to just enter your account like email ID, and just once you will press on this create your account, you are able to create your own account. Okay. So let me just enter this. After this, once you will put your email ID, then let me show you how you can log in now. Okay, it's very simple. This is just okay. Now you have to click here. Suppose I will first sign out. Now after join the Scratch, you will get this sign in option. So you need to sign in over here. Then you have to add your username. For example, my username was Shraddha789. Don't put this one, otherwise it will show you the error. You need to put your username and password. Okay. And then once you will press on sign in button, it will sign in with your user ID and password. If you will click here in my stuff, you will get like how many projects you created, everything about your project you will get. Okay. Now, the next part, you need to confirm your email. It means you need to open your inbox, whatever ID you added here, and then you will get one scratch email. You need to just open it and click on confirm your email. So that why we are doing this, because if you want to share your project with any other person, your friend, your family member, for that we need to confirm your email ID. Okay. Now, the next part is how we will create a project. It's very simple. You need to just press on this create button. Okay, where let me annotate you. This is the create option. So once you will click on create button, it will create a new project for you. Okay. So once we will create a new project, it means you can create animation, you can create story, you can create games. It's your choice what you wanted to create. For example, I want to create one story. So let me write my project name as a story. Okay. After that, if you will see, the scratch is divided into three parts. This is your first part, this one is your second part, and this one is your third part. So first part is called as palette. 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 The second part is called as script area, where we will just write the code. The third part is called as stage area. Okay, so we have a palette, script, and stage. After that, if you want to create any kind of game, animation, for that we will require certain characters. So in Scratch, that character is called as sprite. So if you will see, this is something like choose a sprite. If you will click on it, you will get different sprite. Okay, suppose I want this flying cat. So you need to just click on here, automatically you will get. Suppose I want to delete this first one. It's very simple, just press on this delete button so that you are able to delete it. Okay. The next part, in any animation or in any games or in any stories, there are beautiful backgrounds. Okay, so how you will add it, that background is called as backdrop in Scratch. So you need to just click here. As you can see, there are lots of backgrounds. Okay, you can add according to your choice. Suppose I want to add this one. So see, once you will click on it, automatically you will get. So we added one backdrop, we added one sprite. Suppose you want 3 to 4 backdrops, like uh, while creating the story, if first character will say something, second character will say something, then you want to change a background. So for that, you will require different backgrounds. Suppose I want this one as well. Then we want to add this one as well. So it's your choice how many backdrop you want for your project. So as you can see, we added the cat and we will just try to add the dog as well. So we have a 4 type of dog. Suppose I will require this one. You can change the direction. See, you can rotate it. So we added the dog, we added the cat. As you can see, we added 2 sprites. Now in Scratch over here, you can see we have different circles, colorful circles, and we have some rectangular boxes. So every color have a different meaning. Okay. For example, motion is something like if we want to move the character, all the movement related thing you will get in the motion. In the looks, you can say something, you can change the costume. Okay. So all this thing you will get in the looks. Sound is something like which is related to music. Like if you want to add some music in your project, that also you can add. Then we have events. So we are going to see each and everything over here. Okay. So let's start with motion. Suppose I want, when I will click on flag, like when I will run the project, I want to move the dog by 1 step. So you have to first go to the events when flag is clicked. So always, without event you cannot run the project. Okay, so always you have to add one event. That event can be anything. That event can be when space key is pressed, or when you will click on dog, or when your backdrop will switch. Okay, once you will receive. So it means we need to apply one event. That event can be anything. Suppose we added when flag is clicked, we have to go to the motion. Like I want to just move my dog only 10 step. Now see, when I will run, when I will click on the flag, see, dog is moving. Okay, only 10 step. After after that, suppose I want dog will take this turn. Turn means now let's see. See, dog is turning right degree with 15 degree. Okay, after taking this turn, suppose if you want left turn, so that also you can add. It's your choice. Suppose you want to go to the random position. I'm explaining you all the blocks. Suppose when you will click on the flag, you want dog should be go to the random position. See, so dog moving to the random position. Instead of random, suppose I want I want dog one fixed position of the dog. Like on x-axis it is something like 145, on y-axis it is something like 37. If I will take my dog here, now see what will happen. Every time dog will come to here only because we added the fixed position. If I will run, again dog will come. If I will take it here also, then also you will get the same position because we added this fixed position. Okay, then suppose you want to glide. Glide means we want to move like this. Okay, so it will glide to the random position. See, randomly it is gliding. Gliding means something like we want to move. Instead of random, you can go with the fixed position also. Suppose if I will take my dog here, dog will go here only because this is the x and y position of this position. Okay, suppose every time we want this direction, point in direction means what direction you want. Suppose I want downside. See, so this is the point in direction. You can change it. Okay, suppose if I will take the dog here, then also you are able to change it. Okay, suppose I want this one. Now run. So this is nothing but all the blocks that we have inside the motion. Okay. Suppose if there will be the age, we want to set the rotational style. And suppose this thing we want again and again. Like all this thing we want until and unless we will stop the game. See, now dog is moving continuously. If you will click on red button, then only it will stop. Otherwise, it will move continuously. See? So this is nothing but the forever. If you want anything again and again, for that we need to use the forever. Okay. After that, this is all about your motion. The next thing in the looks, as you can see, looks is something like if you want to say something. Suppose I want to say hello. See, hello. Every time dog is saying hello, suppose instead of hello, I want hello cat. Now, what dog will say? Hello cat. Okay. Suppose after saying this, cat will also say hello dog. So you need to click on this cat sprite, click on event. When flag is clicked, go to the looks, cat will say hello dog. Now see dear, if you will run, you will get cat is saying hello, dog is saying hello cat, and cat is saying hello dog. And this thing also, if you want again and again, go to the control and add this forever. Now both will say, see, hello cat, hello dog. So in this way, you can start your story writing. Okay. Suppose after that you want to switch the costume of the cat. Like we have a two see the costume. You are getting this different costume. Okay. For dog also you can do the same thing. You can change this costume. See, if you want sit, see the dog is sitting. So you can change the costume from here. This is side one. See the side one. Suppose every time you want to change the costume, instead of this one, like every time you want to change it, so you are able to change it. Okay. Suppose we want to add the next backdrop. If you remember, we added four backdrops. So it will continuously change your backdrop. See, you are getting this after this, then you will get the next one. So how many backdrops you will add? Every time it will change your backdrop. So this thing is present over here. Okay. Suppose we want to add some sound also. Sound means any sound you can add. So for that, you need to go to the sound tab. Over here, choose a sound. There are lots of sound option. If you will search for dog, as you can see, there is this. Okay. You can go to the code now. We can play the sound, like start sound. So you will get the sound as well. Same thing we can do for cat also. So always, whatever coding you want for particular sprite, you need to click on the sprite. Suppose this is my cat sprite. You have to again go to the sound option, search for meow. Okay. So you need to go to the code section, start the sound meow. See? So you are getting both the sounds, which is cat sound and dog sound. Okay. So in the sound tab, everything related to like you can change the pitch, you can clear the sound effect, you can increase or decrease this volume. You can set one fixed volume. That thing you will get in the sound tab. Okay. Then event I already explained you. Event is something like action. Okay. Without event, you cannot add your further blocks. So always you have to start with event, then only you are able to run your project. Okay. Then what is this control? Control is something like there is a wait block. Like after waiting 1 second, I want to change the backdrop. Whenever you want wait, you have to wait for 3 seconds, 4 seconds. So see, after waiting 1 second, you are getting the dog sound. Cat sound you are getting continuously. But dog sound is after waiting for 1 second, you are getting the dog sound. Okay. Then instead of forever, if you want the entire thing to be repeat only 10 time or 20 time. So for that you can add this repeat block. Okay. So repeat block is work like suppose instead of adding this again and again, I want to just repeat this 10 time only. So it will repeat the entire thing only 10 time. Okay. Then we can apply certain condition. If dog will touch to this cat, dog will say something. For example, if over here we have a dog, okay? If dog will touch to the cat. So we added this if condition. You need to go to the sensing, we will add this. Like if dog will touch to the cat, okay, then dog will say, nice to meet you. Suppose nice to meet you. Let me run it. See, when I'm taking my cat here, dog is touching to this cat and dog is saying, see, nice to meet you. So that is certain condition that you can apply with the help of if block that you will get in the control. Okay. After that, suppose in the sensing we have this is something like if we will touch to any other character, so what you want to say. Then if we will touch to the particular color, so what we will do. So every conditions you will get in the sensing. Okay. Same we will get in the operator also. Operator is something like that your advanced concept. So once I will create a game or any other thing at that time, I'm going to explain you this operator variable and my block because this is little bit advanced concept. So what you need to do, you have to just practice for these ones. Like what is motion, what is looks, sound, event, control, sensing, everything. Okay. So in this video, we just learned about motion, look, sound, event, control, and sensing. Now, I will share one more video where we will see the actual games. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.